Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So here they asked us solve the following: 76 divided by 5 and 875 divided by 3. So let's get started. 5 goes into 7. How many times are it?
1.
1 time?
Yeah.
Not 2? What do you think?
No, because that's a higher number than 7.
Okay, so we'll just put a 1 here. And 5 times 1 is 5. Minus that. We get 2. Does 5 go into 2?
No.
Okay, so we bring down to 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what? Does 5 go into 26?
Yes.
How many times? What do you think?
5 times?
Okay, good job. 5 times 5 is?
25.
Okay. And there's
1.
1 left, right? So what do we put this as? 15?
Remainder 1.
Or 1. Done. And now let's go on to the next one. So it says 875 divided by 3. How many times does 3 go into 8?
2 times?
2 times?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Not 3?
3. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
But isn't like 3 times 3 9? Okay, so I think it's 2. So we'll just put 2 here.
Then why'd you say 3?
I was trying to see if you knew. 3 times 2 is 6, right?
Yeah.
8 minus 6 is 2. And 3 does not go into 2. So we bring down to 7. And
8.
3 goes into 8 times. Okay. So it does? 8 times? Are you sure? I'm not so sure. I think it's 9 times. 9 times 3 is?
Oh yeah,
27. Okay. And 0. Well, now we have nothing, so we just bring down the 5 itself. And we have a 5. So 3 goes into 5 how many times? 1 or 2?
1.
Okay, 1 time. And 5 minus 3 is? 2.
2.
So we have a remainder of 2, right?
Yeah.
Instead of 1. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.
Bye.